crazy wave. Markets are all over the place. I assume everybody's seen how big a dive we've taken today. Pretty exciting. I think it creates some opportunity. I do think that we're seeing a rotation. I mean, quite honestly, you're seeing tech sell off and people finally start moving into big and boring. And I think if you have a balanced portfolio, it works itself out. Anyway, hello, my name is Adam Kahn. This is Investing with Adam K. Hopefully, we get some people signed in and paying attention and get some things flowing. I really like the live, and we'll see. I'm guessing my buddy Joe will show up. Hi, Lily. Nice to see you there. I'm guessing my buddy Joe will show up and start spewing some things about the markets and where he thinks things are going. Um, but in general, I think this still creates a really good opportunity to rotate into big and boring and safe type of companies. I think that maybe we are oversubscribed or people are too invested into AI and tech and the things of the like. So what I imagine you'll see is this probably continue throughout the whole year, but I guess we'll see. What I'm noticing, at least in my account, is the targets of the world, woohoo, Target, are doing just fine, even on a big down day like today. But the Mag 7 and the crazier tech companies are really struggling. And I think they've just gotten overvalued. So it's really hard for me not to see that continuing going forward. Now, I know I mentioned on one of the videos that I'm working on rotating into more dividend stocks. I do really like Target, and slowly out of some of the growth stocks. And let me know. Hopefully the sound is okay and everything else, because it's showing on my screen. It says very poor connection. So if things are a little wonky, just let me know. Or it says very bad connection. I'm assuming that's with the Wi-Fi, but I guess we'll see. Um, but I think this rotation will continue. And as it rotates, you'll see significant moves the other way, and you'll see it bounce. Well, hello, high five back at you. Um, you'll still see big moves the other way as well, because people are so indoctrinated that you have to own Amazon, Google, Meta, and the like. And to be fair, for full disclosure, those are my largest positions. But what I'm doing to work my way out of them is I am selling calls. I have a very long time horizon, so that at least in the meantime, I'm collecting some premium. Maybe I sell a 3 month, a 6 month, or even a 1 year out call to collect some premium and hope that I get taken on that. And as I do, I will rotate into some boring stuff. For example, I had a call that got exercised in Caterpillar. Now, I know